Hi everyone, it's Kayla, welcome back. So today I've got my latest Stitch Fix box to share with you. So my last couple of fixes have been 5 for 5. I think my last two were actually 5 for 5s. My stylist Amanda, I say this every time, but she just does a great job. She really nails my style. So in her note, she says, so I asked for some black shorts. She didn't find any, so she sent me a pair of denim shorts. They look a little bit too short though, but we'll see when we try them on. And she said in her note that she's been sending me bolder prints and patterns, and so she sent me solids this time, and I really appreciate that. So she's really trying to switch it up a little bit and make sure that my wardrobe is completely covered. So are you ready to get into this box and see what I received? I'm ready to try things on. I'll be right back. Okay, so this first top is by Mason & Belle. This is the Citalia lace flutter sleeve top in off-white, $38. It's, okay, ready for the material? Let's see if I can remember it. The actual top itself is 100% rayon. The lining, which is only lined in the front, is 100% rayon. The sleeves are 100% nylon, but the sleeves have embroidery, so pretty, 100% cotton. I get a prize, don't I? I didn't think I was gonna be able to remember all of that. Okay, I love the neckline. I think the neckline is very flattering. I think the V necklines are better for me. I don't know, I just feel like they're a little bit more slimming than like a scoop neck, you know what I mean? I like the V necks. And I think, can you see the pretty embroidery? I love the embroidery in the sleeves. Yeah, what do you think about the top? It's a good length. I mean, I think for the price for $38, I know some of you don't care for rayon because it wrinkles. It doesn't bother me because you know I love to iron, and you know I carry that wrinkle spray. I get it from Grove and I just spray and I just kind of pull it as I'm wearing it, and it works. So yeah, so I'm gonna turn around and show you the back of the top. Now the back is not lined, so I haven't looked to see if it's too sheer yet, so we'll kind of figure that out together. Once I watch back, I'll see if it's too sheer. Hang on, let me show you the back. I hope it's not, because I think this is a really pretty top. I mean, it would go with a lot. I just love the embroidery in the sleeves, and I think the sleeve length is really good. You know, it's long enough if you don't want to wear a tank, or, you know, some people don't like to wear like just regular short sleeve tops. I think it's really pretty. I think this one's a keeper. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna change into the next top. Okay, so this next top is by Fortune+Ivy. This is the Carna mixed material blouse in blue, $38. I wrote down the material so I would not forget. 97% polyester and 3% spandex, the actual top. But then the back is what's different. It's 95% rayon, 5% spandex. I guess I could have remembered that. Anyway, so I thought it was over the crisscross neckline. I don't know, I kind of like this one. I like that it kind of has the split V-neck and then it has the crisscross. You know what I mean? Like, it's not just a crisscross, it has that extra kind of detail. This might be, I haven't been pulling for my necklaces, like my big statement necklaces. I don't know why. Yeah, I haven't been lately. Have you noticed in my videos, like I really haven't worn a lot of them. I wear my earrings more. Maybe it's the warmer weather. I don't know, but I do love my statement necklaces still. But anyway, this would be a good top to wear like maybe my statement earrings with, you know, put my hair up. I do like the sleeves. It's kind of like stitched, you know, folded and stitched. I kind of like, oh, I gotta back up and show you the length. The length of this top is good. This would be a good work top with white pants. I mean, it could be a good top for the weekend. I'm just not sure. This is gonna be something that I have to watch back and look to see. Yeah, what do you guys think? I kind of feel like it is a little bit different though than your normal crisscross tops. Let me know. Let me show you the back of it. I really like the color of this too. I'm really drawn to this color. I think it's a great color. Oh, the tag is getting in my way. Yeah. Yeah, I think I might keep this top too. What do you think? Yeah, I think this one's staying with me, but I can't wait to hear what you think. Okay, I have one more top to show you, and I have, what else do I have? Oh, the shorts. Yeah, the shorts are gonna be too short, and then maybe I'll put them on with the next top. And I have a necklace, so let's get into the next item. Okay, so this next top is by JohnPaulRichard. This is the Coraine tie detailed tiered top in yellow, $38, 100% rayon. I love the color. It's very bright, so it's kind of, I can see it kind of blowing out the camera. It's a very bright top, but I love the color of it. I just don't care for the style. There's absolutely no shape to this top. See? Yeah, I got the shorts on. Look how short they are. I can't believe I'm going to show you them. Yeah, they're no shape. Nope. It is tiered, so there's like a tier that starts here, and then one that starts about here. You can't see it because the camera doesn't like this color. but I do like this color. I just kind of wish this top had some more shape. It's a great summer color. And I think this is a good yellow for me. Sometimes I struggle for yellows, and I think she picked out a good one. The top does tie here, like you can see. I don't know if I care for that. I guess you could untie it and just kind of leave it. Oh yeah, there we go. I don't know. Yeah, it's no shape. Look at it, just kind of hangs. But it's a great color. I think if it kind of just came in, maybe. Yeah. But let me show you the back of it. It's very cool, lightweight, breathable. Like the fabric of it, love the color, just don't like that it has no shape at all. It needs to be, yeah. Yep. So this one's gonna go back. All right, I'm gonna show you the shorts. I wanna grab a pair of heeled sandals to give myself a little boost and maybe give my legs a little bit of shape. And I'll be brave and show you the shorts even though, yeah, no, they're too short for me. Too short for my comfort zone. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so let's talk about the shorts. These are by Cosmic Blue Love. These are the Jodie Distress Short in Indigo, and they're $58. I looked at the material, and the material is 98% cotton. No, I'm sorry, 98.5% cotton and 1.5% spandex. Yeah, they're way too short. I can't believe I'm showing you. They are cuffed. They do have distressing. When I do my recap, I'll show you up closer. They are more of like, I wouldn't call these high rise. I think I'd call them more like a medium rise. I do like the color. If they were just like, I just like my shorts to be a bit longer. I would not feel comfortable going out like this. Yeah, nope. But just so you can get an idea of what they look like. Yeah, these are going back. All right, I gotta get out of these shorts. Let me grab the necklace and I'll show you the necklace during the recap. Hang on one second. Okay, so this necklace is by Bancroft. This is the Velma Beaded Pendant Necklace in dark green, $28. So here's the necklace. I think it's very, whoops, it keeps turning. It's very pretty. Look, it's like a dark green. It has a little bit of sparkle to it. I do like the double hoop look as well. And I do like that it's the same on both sides. So if it does end up twisting and turning, like you can see the necklace, because sometimes you get those necklaces that twist and turn and the back is just like a solid or the metal. And I do also like the chain. I think the chain is pretty. It's got like the little ball type of things going along. Let's put it on. I know it doesn't match what I'm wearing, but look. So I like the length of it. I think the length is great. You know, I like this type of necklace, like the longer pendant style necklaces for cardigans. Even in the summertime when you're wearing like, I don't know, maybe like a solid color tank and then you go out and you put a denim jacket over it, or you know those t-shirt style dresses, or like a plain maxi and just throw this on with it, you know? So I do like those necklaces. It's very lightweight too. I just don't know how much I'd pull for this one. I like it, I just don't absolutely love it, so I'm gonna send it back. And maybe if the color was different, I don't know, but maybe it's good that it's a unique color for me, right? But yeah, I'm gonna send it back, but it is a nice necklace. All right, let's just do the recap here. I'll keep the necklace on for the recap. So it's not a 5 for 5, but that's okay. I really appreciate her keeping the prices lower. I am gonna try to ask her for more shorts, but I'm gonna be more specific about the length. I don't want Bermudas. I don't want these short shorts that she sent me. I need something in the middle. My absolute favorite shorts are by Wit and Wisdom. I think I got them last summer and I just love them. I mean, I pretty much live in them, especially right now, and I love the length of them. So I'm gonna send her the length of those and see if she could send me shorts that are that same length. All right, so this is going back. While I love the color, there was no shape to it. See, you can get a better idea of the color. It's not, the camera's not blowing it out as much. Yeah, this is going back, but my face kind of like makes it shine a little bit. The shorts, you know, are going back. Yeah, way too short. I can't believe I showed you those. Oh gosh, terrible. And then the blue shirt, which brand was this by? Oh gosh, Fortune+Ivy. I'm leaning towards keeping this shirt. I like the color of it. What do you think? This color's kind of in. It's almost got that kind of denim look. Not look, but kind of the same color as denim, you know? And that looks kind of in. So I think I might keep this color. I really like, yeah, I think I like that. Well, I know I like it. I think I'm gonna keep it. That's what I meant to say. And then I think I'm gonna keep this one too. When I watched back, you can't really see through, but again, the white kind of blows the camera out. And I looked in the mirror, you can't really see through. I think I'm gonna keep it. What do you think? So I think I have 2 keepers in this box, so not a bad box, right? And not a bad price either. If I did keep the whole box, it would be $125. Can you believe it? Only $125 for 5 pieces. That would be a great buy all discount, but it just wasn't a 5 for 5. But it still was fun trying things on, and I have a few keepers, so makes me happy, right? I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for watching and for spending some time with me today, and I will see you in my next video.